Marshall's ready. We're going at the tone. If more style, guys, face yourself out. Yeah, go. I told you, it's more start. Like, you guys have space yourself out if you want to do good. It's like, see? You gotta space yourself out. No one can say I'm responsible for that. Take your time. All right. All right, so we got Jack Malone, Mike Malone, Sharif, Patrick, James Randine, Omar Ali, Gina, and Steve Fred did not make this one, but Jack Malone is looking. He's flying out there. I guess this track is his favorite track in the Barnstormers right now. He's having so much fun with this track right here. He's putting them some really good lap times. He's on a 10.5.28. I don't see some buddies doing 10 laps. He's doing 10.5.24. Oh my goodness, you guys gotta watch what Jack Malone is doing with this car here. He is doing a great job. Oh, he tripled it. Oh, he rolled it over. Watch your back, watch your back. Mike Malone is gonna take that top spot now. Yeah, but Jack Malone is looking really good. Up in the top there, up in the top. Oh, watch it, straightaway triple, watch the straightaway triple. Alright, so let's see what's going on here now. So Mike down the straightaway. Jack is still in the top spot, but they're very close to each other right now.
2 minutes left.
Oh, we got 2 minutes to go, and it's Jack, Mike. There you go, Jack did it. So Jack, Mike, Sheriff. Oh, Dave Rambino move up into that third spot. Sheriff in fourth, Omar Ali in fifth, Patrick in sixth, and Gina in sixth. So, straight away. Alrighty. So it's Mike Malone now move up into that top spot. Jack Malone in second, Dave Rambino in third, Sharif in fourth, Omar Ali in fifth, Patrick in sixth, and Gina in sixth. But the bottle is on. So Dave Rambino just fighting his time. He's taking it nice and easy. You got red wheels on. I've never seen those wheels before.
1 minute left.
We got 1 minute to go. It's Jack Malone, Mike Malone, Dave Rambino, Omar Ali, Sherry, Patrick, Gina. Oh, wow. So Jack is going to go right underneath Mike Malone after he get caught up with Gina. So let's see what's going on right now. Jack is taking it nice and easy. Mike is going to jump over. But let's see what's going on down the straightaway right now. It's Jack, he's blazing hip hop an R&B down the straightaway. He take that top spot, even 10.530. Mike Malone on a 9.502. Dave Rambino 9.526. Omar Ali is on a 9.528. Surf on an 8 flat foot with 9. It's 12 seconds to go, guys. 12 seconds to go. Off top, Mike, he's going to roll it over. Jack is going to get some breathing room right now. Keep going until I call your name, guys. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Keep going until I call your name. Mike is going to get caught on the line. Mike, you're done. Once you cross the line, guys, you will be done. Once you cross the line, you'll be
Stay,
done.
yo! This guy's fucking sleeping, man. Come on, dude.
Done.
Topic, you're done.
Omar Ali done. Gina
Once
done.
you cross the line, guys, you will be done. Waiting for Jack Bernard, Dejan B, Ray Sherry. Keep going, Jack. Keep going, Jack. Keep going, Jack. Keep going. Oh, keep going, Jack. Keep going. Keep going, Sherry. Ray Sherry. Keep going, Sherry.
Shelly Bernard done.
Sherry, we're done. The blue man